And yes, if you are new on my channel, then you know what you have to do. Click the subscribe button right now, and yes, don't forget to click the bell icon. Yeah. So yes, let's start B2 or even A2 exam preparation. Then yes, Germangyan will help you definitely. We are having a specifically 7 days, 10 days, 12 days, in fact 15 days or 20 days exam preparation classes separately. And if you want to enroll for the whole courses for A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2, yes, we are having a separate courses, plus we are having a combo which is A1, A2, A1 to B1, A1 to B2, which normally all the students do. And yes, in that we are giving you a huge discount. And one more thing, last but not the least, yes, internship is starting. From coming Wednesday, internship is starting. So if you want to enroll for internship, then please guys, you can see the number here, you can WhatsApp me here. Hi guys, you are watching Germangyan. My name is Nidhi Jain, and guys, this video is so special, not for me, not for you, I think so for everyone, because this video is on Mother's Day. So first of all, happy Mother's Day to each one of you who is mother. And so please guys, you should respect your mother, because mothers are really a blessing for all of us. So yeah, happy Mother's Day to each one of mother in the world. So yeah, this video is all about Mother's Day. So what we are doing for this Mother's Day is, as it's a channel of German, so we have decided why not to create a German conversation and a essay over Mother's Day. So yeah, this video is all about the conversation in German, not on essay writing. Basically it's an essay over mother. So yeah, this video will be a very good and very helpful for you if you are in a A1, A2, B1, B2 or C1, C2 learner. Basically this will help you for your hearing part, because you are hearing this video. Next, it will be helpful for you for the schreiben, because when you are hearing it, please try and get a copy or pen with you and try to write down whatever you are hearing, so that you can practice it. Plus the subtitles will be here, so you can just go through that also, and yeah, you can just write and know the spelling, the new word, the new vocabulary for you. Of course, for the expression part, because I'm speaking, my team is speaking, we are working, so why not you also speak with us, and yeah, repeat with a pause and repeat with us, pause and repeat with us. So this is how you will be able to practice your expression, and of course reading, because all the subtitles are here like in the upcoming one. So all the subtitles will be here, so you have to read it, and your reading lesson practice will be there. So all the 4 modules will be covering for you here. I hope you will enjoy. And yeah, if you are new on my channel, then you know what you have to do. You have to subscribe this channel right now, click the bell icon so that you can get the notification very first. Start with the video.
Man A, was schenkst du deiner Mutter? Man B, wovon redest du? Man A, Sonntag ist Mutterstag. Man B, diesen Sonntag? Man A, natürlich, es ist überall in den Nachrichten. Man A, was schenkst du deiner Mutter? Man B, wovon redest du? Man A, Sonntag ist Muttertag. Man B, diesen Sonntag? Man A, natürlich, es ist überall in den Nachrichten. Die Bindung zwischen einer Mutter und ihrem Kind ist so besonders. Die Bindung zwischen einer Mutter und ihrem Kind ist so besonders, dass sie von Kindern und ihren Müttern für immer geschätzt wird. Dass sie von Kindern und ihren Müttern für immer geschätzt wird. Ein Tag reicht nicht aus, um die Mutterschaft zu feiern. Ein Tag reicht nicht aus, die Mutterschaft zu feiern. Und wir sollten jeden Tag so besonders machen wie den Muttertag. Und wir sollten jeden Tag so besonders machen wie den Muttertag. Unsere Mutter mit Liebe zu überschütten. Unsere Mutter mit Liebe zu überschütten. Wir sollten all die kleinen Dinge anerkennen. Wir sollten all die kleinen Dinge anerkennen, die unsere Mütter jeden Tag für uns tun. Die unsere Mütter jeden Tag für uns tun. Kein anderes Geschenk kann für eine Mutter besonderer sein als die Liebe. Kein anderes Geschenk kann für eine Mutter besonderer sein als die Liebe. Und der Respekt ihrer Kinder. Und der Respekt ihrer Kinder. Lassen Sie uns also versprechen, jeden Tag für unsere Mütter. Lassen Sie uns also versprechen, jeden Tag für unsere Mütter. So etwas Besonderem zu machen und ihre Tage mit Wärme und Freude zu füllen. So etwas Besonderem zu machen und ihre Tage mit Wärme und Freude zu füllen.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed this session, conversation and the essay part on Mother's Day. Thank you so much for showing a lot of love to all my videos now on the daily basis or the alternate days. Videos are coming up, so please stay tuned, subscribe this channel. If you are looking for German classes, then Germangyan is there. Here you can see the number and you can connect with us for A1, A2, C1, C2, B1, B2, all the classes, online live session classes. Plus, very important, we are having properly speaking classes, exam preparation classes. Plus, we are having a new batch which is starting on Wednesday for internship. So if you are looking for internship, then only 15 days internship and you will be getting 3 months internship letter from Germangyan, which is valid all over the India, plus for visa purpose also. So if you are interested, then what are you waiting for? Just connect me here and yeah, stay tuned and yeah, keep learning German with Germangyan. Take care and yeah, happy Mother's Day to each one of you and lots of love to you. Cheers.